You can see here in the figure. So yeah, it's exactly 90 degrees, correct? So I have drawn a line from here to BC. Now let's measure here. Is it parallel or not? Yeah, it's parallel, right? So here at C, this intersect the side BC at C dash. Let's write it as C dash. So now let's measure the length. How does it what does it come? So when you see, it's 12 centimeters, correct? It's 12. So this length of BC dash is from here to till C dash becomes 12 centimeters. After that, next step what we have to do here, let's check the angle formed at C. When you see here, what is the angle here exactly? Yeah, you can see it's exactly 45, correct? So from, it's 45 degrees. So from C dash, draw a line parallel to AC such that this line meets AB at A dash. So first step what we have to do, extend the line AB, how we did for BC. Extend the line AB. After that, with the same angle, draw a line such that this extended line and this line meets at one point. That point is A dash. Let's do that now. You can see here, I have plotted this point here. Let's see the angle here exactly. See, it's 45. Correct? It's exactly 45. Okay. So in the next step, what do? I will just join these 2 points till the extended base. Let's join those points now. See here, I have drawn a line joining these 2 points till it meets the side AB. So let this line meets the side AB at A dash. Okay, meets at A dash. Now let's measure the sides of AB and AC. A dash B and A dash C. Okay, A dash C dash. A dash B and A dash C dash. Let's measure the side values. Let's see. It's you see here it's how much? Yeah, it's, you can see it's exactly 8.6. Write this as 8.6 centimeters. So let's see the side A dash B. What is it? So from, yeah, you can see here also it's 8 point. See, it's 8.6, right? Exactly 8.6. So this side A dash B is also 8.6 centimeters. So what are the dimensions for the new triangle? Its side A dash B is 8.6 centimeters, BC is 12 centimeters, and A dash C dash is 8.6 centimeters. Sorry, this is BC dash is 12 centimeters. Okay. So now let's write the dimensions here. What are the dimensions? A dash B equals to 8.6 centimeters and BC dash equals to 12 centimeters and C dash A dash equals to how much? It is also 8.6 centimeters. Now let's cross check whether it is correct or not. See, I will show you. 8, this is 8, right? 8 into 3 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 fours are. So it should be 12 centimeters. For 8, it should be 12. I mean extended base measurement is 12. Again for 5.7 into 3 by 2. Let's see what do we get. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 eights are 2 fives are. So 3 fives are, it is 15. 3 is a 24. 125. 3 twos are 6. 6 plus 2 8. So it should be 8.55. So you'll get it, you can round it as 8.6. So you got the correct thing. So again, for 5.7 both sides you will get the same value. So when you see here, so first thing is for 5.7 you got the extended base as 8.6. See, when you see, I'll show you. So from here, from this base to till here, see closely, I am showing now. So from this base point till here it's exactly 8.6, but 8.55 you can round it off till as 8.6. Okay, not an issue. So you got the correct measurements. So 12, 8.6 and 8.6, since both sides are equal. So side BC you got it as 12 and side AB also 8.6 and A dash B, BC dash and A dash C dash also you got it as 8.6. Since two sides are equal and you got the corresponding sides as 1.5 times of the corresponding sides of the previous triangle. So they asked us to draw another triangle, so we have drawn this triangle. So the new triangle is A dash B C dash. So this is the solution. So whatever we have did till now, let us put it in the construction steps. Okay, so first here I have written the construction steps for the triangle ABC. So what we did, first thing, base BC is drawn as 8 centimeters. After that we have drawn perpendicular bisector to the side BC. So first perpendicular bisectors we have drawn. This bisector, this line meets BC at O, correct? So from O, what did we do? We have drawn an arc from O to the bisector of one side. To either side, you can draw here or you can draw here. So for explanation, I have drawn on one side. So this arc meets perpendicular bisector at A. So this arc cuts the perpendicular bisector at one point. We have named it as A point. So after joining AB and AC, triangle ABC is formed. So we have formed the isosceles triangle. After that, what did we did? So we have drawn the ray, all those points right now. So here I have drawn the remaining construction steps. I have written remaining construction steps here. So what we did, we have drawn the ray BX, correct? From B, making an angle of 60 degrees at B. So here I have drawn acute angle, means here I have drawn 60 degrees. So in brackets you write making acute angle opposite to vertex A. Opposite to vertex A. Clear? So after that, locate 3 points B1, B2, B3 equidistant from each other such that B1 equals to B1, B2 equals to B2, B3 equals to 2 centimeters. So here I have taken 2 centimeters, so I have written it in the construction step. In case you want to take any other measurement, you just take that measurement and do the same procedure, you'll get the same solution. So but write in the construction steps what you did. Okay, after that, draw a line joining B to C. So from B2 point to C, why we have drawn like that? Because the scale factor denominator value is the present triangle. So from B to C I have drawn a line. After that we have drawn a line parallel to B to C through B3 such that this parallel line meets BC at C dash. See here, B3 parallel to B to C intersecting BC at C dash. Okay. After that, in this next step what we did, draw a line through C dash parallel to CA to intersect AB at A dash. So we have drawn the same parallel line again, parallel line to AC such that this line meets AB at A dash, correct? So here also I have written the same thing, AB at A dash. So triangle A dash BC dash is our required triangle of measurements. So the triangle here A dash B C dash is our required triangle of measurements. We have written it here, right? For explaining I have written it here, but in the construction steps also you have to write. So A dash B as 8.6 centimeters, B dash B C dash as 12 centimeters and C dash A dash as 8.6 centimeters. Hence proved. They asked us to do this, right? We have written the same thing. Hence it is done. Okay, this is the solution. So in case you have any doubts, just go back to the video, do see it from the starting. So this is the solution. So for making the explanation clear, I have done this video into two parts. This solution video into two parts. Do watch the two parts so that it will be clear for you. So here the same angle means here also it will be 90 degrees only. So here also it is 45 degrees. So I have told you in the explanation. So this is the solution. So I hope you understand this. So in case you have any doubts, just let me know. So I hope you like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you.